Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this episode we will be stripping the car. We're going to be stripping the car. So stay tuned. So, for our next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the car on the dollies. I bought brand new dollies for it, so we're gonna put them together and then we're gonna put them on it. We'll put the car on them. That way if we need to push it aside, we shouldn't have any problems because this thing doesn't run, obviously. And then yeah, so let's get to it. So we're going to start off by removing the hood and then the fenders. So we're going to try to remove all this wiring and hoses and just really clean up this area. The next thing we're gonna do is remove the seats, the driver's seat, and we're gonna start taking apart the dash because we're gonna need to get to that tunnel where the starter's gonna hit, and we're gonna have to cut out a section and re-weld the tunnel a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and start removing the wheel and taking apart all this stuff so we can remove the whole dash, because this dash looks pretty scary. This dash is scary. So the idea is to form something unique out of something and build a dash out of something. That makes sense. But we're way, that's way in the future. For now we're gonna try to get rid of all these wiring and get the carpet out. This is what we got so far, and it is pretty scary, but we're almost there. The idea is to strip everything off. I'm gonna get rid of all these wires, take the heater core off, the AC, and just take everything out. Alright guys, this is what I got. I left that piece on there because we will need to see how we need to modify the intake. Because right here we gotta cut this piece right here and make it shorter. So I didn't bother taking that piece off, but other than that we pretty much got everything out that we didn't need. And then we also got the interior gutted. It still needs to be, all the stuff needs to be all taken out, but that's gonna be later in the day when we're ready to do the interior. But for now, that's what we need, because on our next episode or near future, we're gonna have to cut the firewall and the tunnel, because our starter is gonna be hitting that, so we're gonna do a little bit of modification there. But for now, we're just gonna have to clean this mess out and throw everything out that we don't need. And that's it for today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And if you want to see what happens next, make sure you click the subscribe button. And don't forget to comment. And we'll see you then.